Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for stopping by. Today I'll be showing you guys how to do the Beyonce beach waves. If you have not checked out my previous video, I suggest that you go and do so first. Please click over here to go and watch that. And if you have already watched that, let's get into the Beyonce beach waves look. So firstly, you want to make sure that you do not run your fingers completely through your hair. You just want to unravel the braid, and then you want to kind of just shake it out so that all your hair kind of flows together and your part is no longer there. So if you want to check how I get this look, please stay tuned and I'll see you guys soon. And I normally first start out with my hair being set with rollers, and then I just go and braid it, and you guys will see as we go along in the video. So for this video as well, I'll be using the DE Hair Care Natural Range Coconut and Monoi Intense Shine Oil Mist before we go and braid our hair. So I'm going to spray this all over my hair, and then we'll start with the braiding. So start off by parting your hair down the middle, and then clip up the one side, and we'll start off braiding the other side and then move on to the next. Starting at the front, we'll just divide our hair into 3 even parts and then start with a French braid. It doesn't matter if it's plaited inside or outside. You need to braid your hair tight enough so that it creates a kink in your hair when you unravel it. So now that your hair is braided, you want to make sure that you secure it with hair ties at the bottom, and tie it really tight so that it doesn't unravel, and then make sure that you're using a band big enough that you can tie it right up and then kind of bring it down. Well, if your hair is as short as mine, bring it down almost right to the end of your braid. So before you sleep, you want to make sure that you secure your hair with a headband just so that the front of your hair does not frizz. Stuff these in. And when you shower, make sure that you cover your hair completely so that the ends do not frizz. Thanks so much for stopping by. I hope this video was helpful and that you are able to get your Beyonce on after this. Please leave your comments down below and also click the like button if you did enjoy this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, why have you not subscribed to my channel as yet? Please go and do so by clicking on the red button down below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a fabulous week and chat soon.